Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Official, where mastering English is exciting and enjoyable. I'm Lima.
Hello, Lima, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's fantastic to be here with you again.
Absolutely. How's everything going today, James?
I'm feeling absolutely excellent, thanks for asking. I'm quite energized right now.
Oh, energized. That sounds wonderful. What's making you feel so energized?
Well, the weather is perfect. I ate a nutritious breakfast earlier. And yourself? How are things with you?
I'm doing fantastic, thank you. I'm feeling cheerful and somewhat energized as well.
Really? What's the reason for that?
Earlier today, I took an extended jog around the neighborhood.
Ah, a neighborhood jog. That sounds like an excellent way to begin your day.
It really was. The streets were quite lively with activity.
Indeed, mornings bring out so many active people.
Exactly. And that's actually the subject I'd like to discuss today.
Oh, your morning jog experience?
Precisely. But more specifically, what I observed while jogging.
All right, you've got my attention. What caught your eye?
I noticed individuals engaged in various activities, and that inspired an idea for our discussion topic.
A fresh topic. I'm intrigued. What shall we explore?
Hold on just a moment.
Oh, right, I nearly forgot. Before diving into the topic...
Yes, before we begin, we'd like to request a small favor from you.
Absolutely. If our podcast brings value to you, please consider subscribing to Smart English Official.
Indeed. And please show your appreciation with a like, give us a big thumbs up. It genuinely supports our channel's growth.
And if you know someone learning English, we'd appreciate you sharing this episode with them.
Your support means the world to us. Thank you so much, everyone.
Yes, many thanks. All right, Lima. I'm all ears now. Your jog. What observations did you make?
I witnessed athletic activities everywhere.
Athletic activities? Ah, naturally.
Right. So today, let's explore the world of athletics and physical activities.
That's an outstanding topic choice. I'm passionate about athletics.
Same here. Certain athletic activities anyway.
Agreed. Certain ones appeal to me as well. So where should we begin?
Well, firstly, James, are you actively involved in any athletic pursuits?
Actively involved. That's an interesting question. Am I? Indeed, I am.
Oh, which athletic activities are you involved in?
I participate in tennis regularly.
Tennis? Impressive. I consider tennis quite challenging.
It certainly has its challenges, but the enjoyment factor is tremendous.
I can imagine. Do you have a tennis partner?
Yes, my friend Marcus joins me. We schedule our matches for Saturdays.
That sounds delightful. You require a racket, correct?
Correct, a racket plus a ball. A compact yellow ball.
And there's considerable running involved.
Absolutely. Dash left. Dash right. Sprint quickly. It's excellent physical conditioning.
I enjoy watching tennis matches televised. The pace is remarkable.
Indeed. Thwack, thwack.
Yes. That distinctive sound when the ball connects. Are there other athletic activities you pursue?
Well, I engage in swimming.
Ah, swimming. Swimming appeals to me greatly. Do you swim regularly?
Yes, I visit the aquatic center during summer months. The water temperature is refreshing. It's quite pleasant.
Yes, swimming is wonderfully relaxing. It contrasts with the speed of tennis.
No, swimming is gentle and peaceful. That appeals to me.
To me as well. It's beneficial for overall fitness.
Very beneficial indeed. So tennis and swimming are your activities. What about soccer?
Ah, soccer. In America, that's the standard term people use.
Right? The world's most beloved sport. Do I participate in soccer? No, I don't.
Neither do I. My soccer skills are absolutely terrible. I attempt to run, but the ball travels in random directions.
Yes, same situation here. Controlling the ball with your feet is remarkably difficult. However, I'm passionate about watching soccer.
Oh, absolutely. Watching soccer matches on television is thrilling.
Yes, it's incredibly exciting. Which club do you support, James?
Well, I support the club wearing blue jerseys. They're my top choice.
I follow the club in red jerseys. Their speed is exceptional.
Blue against red. That's always an intense match.
Absolutely. During matches, I'm shouting, "Come on, come on, come on."
Same here. Score.
That feeling is incredible.
It really is. Watching with companions makes it even better.
Oh, definitely. Watch soccer, enjoy pizza. Perfection.
A perfect Saturday indeed. What about your activities, Lima? You don't participate in soccer. Are there other athletic pursuits you enjoy?
Well, I go running regularly.
Running? Similar to your neighborhood jog?
Exactly. Sometimes walking, sometimes running, or perhaps I jog.
What distinguishes jogging?
Jogging means running at a slower pace.
Jogging suits me perfectly. Slower running sounds much more manageable.
Agreed. I'm not particularly fast as a runner. My pace is moderate. I enjoy listening to music or podcasts.
That sounds like an excellent approach. Running through the neighborhood with music.
Yes, it elevates my mood and promotes wellness.
Wellness is crucial. That's a fantastic activity, Lima.
Thank you. It's uncomplicated. Quality footwear is the only requirement.
That's accurate. Beautifully simple. What about basketball?
Basketball. Wow. Basketball moves at incredible speed.
Yes, indeed. The athletes are remarkably tall.
Yes, extraordinarily tall. Their jumping ability is amazing.
Watching basketball is thrilling for me.
For me as well. Do you play basketball? Lima, observe my height. Am I tall?
No, James.
Correct, I'm not tall. Basketball isn't feasible for me.
Same situation here. My height is limited.
We're the undersized squad.
We can observe from the sidelines.
Yes, observing provides entertainment too. What other athletic activities exist? Oh, I've got one. Cycling.
Cycling or bike riding?
Yes. Do you own a bicycle, Lima?
I do. Mine is blue. It's aged, but functions well.
I own a bicycle as well. Mine is green.
Oh, lovely. Where do your rides take you?
I ride through the neighborhood or occasionally on Sundays when traffic is minimal. I ride through town.
That sounds pleasant.
It is. Excellent conditioning. You observe so much scenery.
I ride my bike when shopping.
Oh, that's practical for purchasing groceries.
Yes, there's a small basket attached to my bike. Groceries go in the basket.
That paints a charming picture, Lima.
It's reality. So cycling is something we both enjoy.
Indeed. Now, what about activities during winter when temperatures drop?
Ooh, winter athletic activities.
Exactly, like skiing.
Skiing down snowy slopes and mountain ranges.
Yes, it appears breathtaking. Everything white. Have you experienced skiing, Lima?
No, never. It frightens me somewhat.
Frightens you?
Yes. The speed appears intense. Descending the mountain. Whoosh, whoosh.
Yes, I share that concern. I'm probably frightened too. Plus, it's freezing.
Yes, extremely cold. Heavy jackets and gloves are necessary.
I prefer watching it televised from my comfortable home with hot chocolate.
Yes, that's the optimal skiing experience.
Completely agree. What about ice skating?
Ice skating? That's elegant.
Yes, the skaters appear to be dancing. It resembles ballet on ice.
It's very graceful, but it also appears challenging.
Extremely challenging. Ice surfaces are slippery.
Yes, I'd probably fall constantly.
Same here. We'd be the tumbling team.
The tumbling team indeed. Okay, so skiing and ice skating aren't for us.
No, we'll stick to watching.
All right, what about volleyball?
Volleyball? Yes. Volleyball is enjoyable. Do you participate?
I participated once at the beach.
Ah, beach volleyball.
Yes. It was tremendously fun. The sand is soft.
Yes. Falling doesn't hurt.
Exactly. And you leap and strike the ball across the net. It's a team activity. You participate with companions.
Yes. Participating with companions is ideal.
I agree. Athletic activities are enjoyable solo, like swimming or running, but activities with companions are truly special.
Yes. You share laughter. You support each other.
Precisely. What about athletic activities we find confusing?
Oh, that's an amusing question. Are there activities you observe and wonder, what's happening?
Yes. All right. For me, perhaps golf.
Oh, golf. It's remarkably quiet.
Yes, exceptionally quiet. And they strike a tiny white ball.
Yes. And then they walk. An extensive walk.
Yes. And then they strike the ball once more. The pace appears very slow.
I prefer faster-paced activities.
Me too. Golf is somewhat sleep-inducing for me.
Sleep-inducing, yes. However, I understand many people adore golf. It simply doesn't appeal to me.
Not to me either. What about American football?
Ooh, that differs significantly from our soccer.
Yes, completely different. The players are massive.
Yes, massive and powerful. They sprint and then halt.
Yes. And they launch the ball. It's intriguing. Numerous regulations.
I don't comprehend all the regulations.
Neither do I. But it appears very intense.
Yes, intense describes it perfectly. James, which activity do you consider the simplest?
The simplest for a newcomer, someone wanting to start.
That's an excellent question. I'd say perhaps walking.
Is walking considered an athletic activity?
Yes, I believe so. It's beneficial. It's simple.
Okay, agreed. Walking is an excellent activity.
And running or jogging.
Yes, jogging is simple to begin. You just maintain a slower pace.
And swimming. You can move very slowly in the pool.
That's true. You can just float.
Yes. Floating is my preferred activity.
Oh, James, So we have activities we participate in and activities we observe.
Yes. What about activities at home?
At home, like in your living space.
Yes, some people practice yoga.
Ah, yoga. Yes, my sister adores yoga. Is it an athletic activity?
I believe so. It's challenging. You must stretch and maintain balance.
Yes, balance is extremely difficult. Standing on one foot, I cannot manage that. I tumble.
Yoga is very quiet and calming.
Yes, my sister describes it as very relaxing, beneficial for your body and beneficial for your mind.
That sounds marvelous. Perhaps I should attempt yoga.
Perhaps I should attempt yoga as well. We could attempt it together.
The tumbling team attempts yoga.
Wow, James, we've discussed numerous athletic activities.
We have tennis, swimming, soccer, running, cycling, skiing, skating, basketball, volleyball, yoga, and golf.
Yes, this discussion was tremendously enjoyable.
It was. I discovered much about your activities, Lima.
And I discovered about yours. I'm pleased you participate in tennis.
And I'm pleased you go jogging.
Athletic activities are genuinely wonderful. They make us feel strong and cheerful.
Yes, healthy and cheerful. That's the crucial part.
And discussing them in English is enjoyable.
Yes, we utilized numerous excellent words today. Participate, observe, go. Fast, slow, simple, challenging, team, athlete, ball, racket.
See accessible vocabulary to discuss a significant topic.
That was excellent. But oh, check the time, Lima.
Oh, wow. Yes, our session has concluded for today.
Time disappears when we're enjoying ourselves.
It absolutely does. We hope everyone listening enjoyed today's session with us.
Yes, we hope you acquired some useful English vocabulary for discussing athletic activities.
And before departing, we have one final small request.
Please remember to subscribe to Smart English Official.
And if you enjoyed our discussion about athletic activities, please show your appreciation with a like and share it with your companions.
And we have a question for you. Oh, yes. Our question in the comments section below. Please tell us, what is your favorite athletic activity?
Yes. Do you prefer participating in an athletic activity, or do you prefer watching athletics on television?
We'd be delighted to read your responses in English.
We read each comment. It's our favorite aspect.
Yes, it is. Thank you all tremendously for listening.
Yes. Thank you, everyone. It was wonderful to converse with you.
Until next time, Lima.
Goodbye, James.
Goodbye, everyone.